With LinkedIn being the biggest networking platform, with over 260 million users, it's become an integral part of any job search. Hiring managers use LinkedIn to discover and vet potential employees, while applicants use the platform to find jobs and connect with recruiters and other industry professionals. For these reasons, it's essential that you up your LinkedIn game by following these essential steps. Number 1. Use a professional photo. The first impression any hiring manager will get of you will be from your photo. So to make a lasting one, you'll need a professional photo. Don't skimp on this one. Your headshot should be taken on a professional camera to ensure that it's of high quality. That said, it's important to keep your picture up to date to reflect a real image of who you are. Number 2. Fix your headline. LinkedIn automatically sets your headline to your current job role, which is fine. But if you're looking for a new job opportunity, you should set this to something a little more attractive to give a wide overview of your skills. For example, if you're an illustrator and animator, you could change this to Illustrator and 3D Animation Expert. This small change will help LinkedIn's algorithm identify you for both skills. Number 3. Have a detailed profile summary. Your profile summary is the perfect place to sell yourself. You should aim for 3 to 5 paragraphs describing your skills, knowledge, and experience. Be sure to include common keywords that you would generally find in job applications to help you get identified when a recruiter is carrying out a candidate search. In addition, don't be afraid to be more personable than you usually would on your CV. Number 4. Connect with people in your industry. Connecting with leaders in your industry is a great way to get yourself noticed. However, don't just simply send a connection request. Go a step further and let them know of your job search, engage with their content, and fly your self-promotion flag. Number 5. Get endorsed. Selling yourself to your connections is one thing, but when someone else does it, it increases your credibility. So if you have a good relationship with a past or current employer, ask them to leave you a great recommendation and endorse your skills on LinkedIn. Number 6. Add your contact details. Many people forget to include their contact information. However, by doing so, you're making it harder for recruiters or hiring managers to reach out to you. Now, I'm not telling you to add your personal telephone number, but including your professional email address is advisable. Number 7. Personalize your URL. When creating your URL, LinkedIn automatically adds a string of numbers to your profile handle. To appear more professional and help recruiters find your page, you should personalize your URL to just include your full name. Number 8. Highlight your skills. The skills section of your profile is just as important as your headline and personal summary. They play an important role in matching you to the right opportunities. Therefore, with only a limited number of skills that you can include on your public page, you must choose them wisely and select the ones most suited to the role that you're looking for. Number 9. Share your accomplishments. Sharing your accomplishments is a great way to show your knowledge, skills, and experience. For example, if you're an academic, you're going to want to share the hard work that you've done. Likewise, if you're a content writer, sharing your most recent work will give people an insight into what you can produce. Number 10. Turn on your I'm interested setting. If you're looking for a new job, don't forget to switch on the I'm interested setting. This will help you get to the top of search results when hiring managers are looking for candidates like you. If you're worried about your boss finding out, don't worry, as it's not public on your profile. The only way they will find out is if they are a recruiter and search your profile directly. You should now know how to effectively boost your LinkedIn profile and enhance your job search. That said, if you're looking for more advice, visit CareerAddict.com. And don't forget to like the video and click on the subscribe button to get more insightful tips and tricks.